All right, all right, all right. All right, all right. Moving right along in this week. Here we are, Wednesday, and the results should be in, although they haven't really announced much. All we know right now is that Pennsylvania elected a Democrat. They were expecting Dr. Oz, which I'm kind of comfortable with the idea that Oz isn't in there. A little too conservative. I want Republicans, but Oz is a little too conservative. But we shall see. We shall see. We shall see. And so, okay, so let's take a quick look. Tell you the truth. Can we do this even? Yeah, I'll do this on the screen. I'm sorry about that. Yep, my interests are boats. So CNBC, little change. Meta laying off. Mortgage demands flat. Interest rates at 7 point. Whoa. Yeah, that's gonna stifle the market pretty aggressively. Yeah, I don't know. Midterm update, Democrats flip PA. Control still up in the air. Yeah, we're not really seeing much. We're still waiting on the answers. So it's probably still going to be a rough day to trade today. We got Williams this morning. There we go. There's some mortgage information. Wholesale inventories month over month. That's going to be a good indication. And we got EIA. So normally a choppy day anyway. So, and there's barking. Tomorrow's going to be a good day for news. All pre-market. And we got some Feds. So tomorrow looks like a better trading day. Just with oil, it's normally choppy. So we're going to keep our eye out on that. And let's take a look at S&P on the daily. Yeah, you know what? Indecisive bar yesterday. Really not a lot to talk about. Right now we're kind of flat. We're down $6. I mean, so we're still waiting on results. We're trending around the mid of the natural trading range. That's what I'm going to call it. It's a natural trading range before the aggressive move of the Feds to combat the COVID pandemic. So I'm thinking this is where we should be. You know. I'm just wondering where we're going to settle. Are we going to settle around the lower line and grind our way up, or the upper line, grind our way up, the midline, grind our way up? I'm expecting to move to a flatter market and get out of all this volatility on a slow grind once we have some direction. People are going to start getting comfortable with inflation, with high inflation. I don't think we're going to see less than 4%. So as far as today, man, inside bar, really nothing going on. You know, you just got to watch this. And I'll tell you the truth, I'm just not ready to rip through all the markets and see any indications until I'm clear on the election. So once again, half-hearted situation. Yep. I'm looking at TBT, just interest rates. I don't know. I see a double top. I think bonds are going to raise. Interest rates are going to come down a little bit, taper off probably for the next month or so, and then take off again. Is what I'm thinking. Verizon, a few things just catching my eye. Looks like some of the things that prospered are ready to taper off a little bit. I think tech is going to start moving. Yeah, tech's kind of feeling a little bottomy. Yeah, that's the indication I'm getting. Some are even already responding. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, I like it going into Christmas, man. There's not much more I could say when I'm looking at this. So, hey, you know what? Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Join me at 9 o'clock. See if we get a little trading done today. Other than that, good luck trading.